This is everything that we just pulled out of the pool. Got him. Saved this little guy.
All those chemicals we added have made it so we can finally see the bottom in the pool. So we're gonna go ahead and get chemical readings, add a couple more jugs of chlorine, and hopefully all this green in the water will clear up. It'll die, fall to the bottom. We'll be able to come back with our waste pump, vacuum in all the waste. Should be good to go. I think this is the perfect amount to get it blue enough to vacuum.
If you guys want to support us, please buy one of our shirts. We're getting them made right now.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who pass.
This is everything that we just pulled out of the pool. Thank you for watching our video. I'm Spencer, this is Bowie. There's a new video for you to watch right here. Please subscribe right here. If you have any questions, comment in the comment section below and like the video.